Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a brag and a haul. It did not come like this. It came in a really nice tote bag, all folded and nice, but it's from my daughter-in-law, my youngest son's wife. I can't brag on her enough, or my son. They are fantastic people. They never come here empty-handed. No matter what they bring something, and it's always delightful and well received. She brought me the most incredible thing. I took it out of her tote because she uses her totes all the time. And she said, "Can you use this?" Oh, heavens, yes. Look at this felt. Now this is the old felt, the good stuff, the thick stuff that was worth having. That stuff on the shelf today is so thin. And where she got it, I don't know, and I don't care, but I can't tickle. Look at all these colors she got. Oh my goodness, how cute are those? I can make a gesture. It makes me think of a Renaissance gesture out of that. Oh, so cute. And look at this. I mean, there's not just a little bit here. There is a bunch. Oh, look at this. Look at this for my, I didn't know this was in here. For my 38-inch Barbies. We'll give that a look one day. Let's pull out the rest of this felt because there's more here. Look at this. How fun is this? Oh, that is not felt. This is felt, and I am willing to share. If anybody's doing crafts, I am willing to share. I can't send to the UK like I are out of the lower 48 like I used to because it's so expensive. But if you're in the lower 48, let me see if there's any more. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean gorgeous. And there are, I can't even guess how many yards of fabric that is. I mean yards on yards. I am going to share this with my friends and subscribers. Isn't that gorgeous? Won't that make beautiful gowns for the dolls? Oh my goodness, or a liner for a cape or a coat or anything. Just, I mean, there's so much. This is heavy, heavy, heavy. And then, set this, get this off my fingers. Something sticky on it. Like I said, she didn't bring it in this bag, this trash bag. She brought it in a beautiful little tote. Oh, look at this. Look how much there is. I mean, that is an incredible amount. That's yards and yards. That's 6 yards at least, I believe. Look at this. Same thing, satin. Isn't that gorgeous? Again, beautiful gowns. Oh, just gorgeous. And there's still more. I mean, there is still more in here if I can find the opening. Here we go. I think this is it. And more satin. Look at this. Now, St. Patrick's Day is going to be here before you know it, and Christmas is arriving. How beautiful would that be to make a gown out of? I'll tell you the truth, I'm not sure which side is out. They're both beautiful. There we go. That's the inside right there. Oh my God, emerald green. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm so glad she thought of me. I would not use this up. I think that's it out of the bag. I would not use this up if I sewed with it every single day. There is also what seems like a cotton here, and there's yards and yards of this also. Oh gosh. Jesse and Yara, thank you so much. This is just, this is great.
Is it pink or peach?
Yeah. It's a peachy pink. Isn't that beautiful? And Peaches should get something out of that, huh? My doll named Peaches. And that's not all. She came, I hadn't shown this, shame on me, and she came the other day, and look what she brought me. Won't these be cute? And we will get these. They need a lot of work, just a little bit. The hems are not finished, and the backs are not finished. But how beautiful is that going to be on my 38-inch Barbies and Princess? Same thing on this one. I'm betting somebody's grandma got started, and these these are a lot of work. And what happened was, child outgrew them. And then, same thing here. Needs a little Velcro or snaps. I'll probably put Velcro in because it looks like the length of the seam. So that is gorgeous. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I am going to share this and it will be used. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.